Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Anita Sari, as a student State Islamic University Palembang, Faculty of Sharia and Law, Islam Criminal Law Study Program. Here I will explain the history, culture, values, and importance of the Bedana dance for the Lampung people. Enjoy watching my video.
The Bedana dance is a traditional social dance of the Lampung people, rich in philosophical values and social ethics. This dance depicts the friendly and open Malay life and the culture of the Lampung people, and is believed to have developed from Islamic teachings. Lampung Bedana dance generally has two main variants based on the context of its development and presentation. Traditional Bedana dance is an indigenous dance form that developed with the arrival of Islamic influence in Lampung around the 1930. This dance is sacred and was initially performed only at special events related to traditional and religious values, such as the completion of the Quran. Its movements tend to be more closely tied to specific traditional rules and customs. Creative Bedana dance, the development of the traditional form. This creative dance is more flexible, often performed as a social dance or entertainment as various events without being bound by strict traditional norms. It can be performed solo, in pairs, or in groups, with groups like considered to enhance its effect. The customs also vary depending on the performance environment, although most of them remain similar. The Bedana dance in Lampung teaches cultural values of hospitality, friendship, togetherness, and good manners based on religion and custom. It reflects the open religious lifestyle of the Lampung people, who uphold the values of family, self-respect, and unity. Its movements such as the sembah or prayer symbolize humility, while the curricular pattern reflects unity and mutual cooperation. Well, this is the Bedana fan dance. This version explicitly uses a fan as the main property that adds to the beauty of the movements, often developed in creative force or the welcome guest of honor. The similarities between the first dance, which is a traditional dance, and the second, which is a fan dance, would come from Lampung, have a Malay Zeppin nuance, and are danced in Paris, reflects traditional values and harmony, and has aesthetic elements and beautiful movements that are typical of Lampung. This Bedana dance is very important for the Lampung region because it functions as a reflection of cultural identity, social ethics, and the legacy of the noble values of the local community. One of them reflects social and moral values, so the friendly and open nature of the Lampung people, teaches the value of friendship, affection, and togetherness, and contains moral messages that are relevant to everyday life. Acculturation of culture and religion, developing along with the arrival of Islam. The Bedana dance combines local Lampung culture with Malay influence, reflected in the closet clothing in the use of typical musical instruments such as the tambourine. The influence of Islamic teachings. Another important aspect is the strong influence of Islamic teachings in the Bedana dance. The movements, posture, and attire reflects Islamic values, such as the position of the feet, which are always covered and not lower, and the arms, which are covered, in line with Malay culture, which is influenced by Islam. This saw the acculturation of local culture with religious values, cultural identity, and local wisdom. The Bedana dance is one of Lampung's main cultural assets and serves as a marker of its community identity. This dance reflects the way of life, custom, and unique characteristic of the friendly and open Lampung Malay people. Through their movement and expression, the younger generation can recognize their origins and cultural heritage. Therefore, Bedana is very important. It's important to preserve the Bedana dance. It is very crucial to ensure that the noble values and cultural identity of Lampung are not lost over time, but continues to be passed down from one generation to the next.